So we're unpackaging a brand new product for the Cuna. The Cuna Off-Road package. Here's the packaging as we open it up. We have 2 large wheels. Hardware pack. Handles. 2 axles. We'll get it unpackaged and show you more. All right, so we got everything unpacked. There's our 2 little axles, our large flat free tires. So this, as you can see, one end is threaded, so it will go in to the handle as such. You're gonna take a saddle washer, screw that in on that side, and that is an 8mm Allen key. So you're going to do that on both sides, and once we get it attached to the Cuna, we'll kind of show you what this does for us. But we'll get both of these assembled, and then we'll go to the next steps. All right, so we got our Cuna here. This is the front again, so we're going to run our axle through there. If it's a little tight, just get a rubber mallet and hammer it through. Then we got the spacer here. Then we put our wheel. And then we have another spacer, or sorry, washer. Then our lock key. There we go. Do the same thing over here. All right, it's almost time for hold my beer and watch this. So we're going to take the shelves off. This makes room for our handles. All right, so you can orient it in different manners. Whatever, if you're a taller person, you can have it up, you can have it down, you can have it inside, whatever works best for you. You're going to use the same key for that you did for the shelves. All right, so if your key goes in and you get the top end, it's a little tight on the bottom, you can loosen these screws, or when you first assemble the handle, you can leave those loose, wiggle it, and because this has some movement, and you can get that second pin through, and then tighten it up. Once it's in, you should be good to go. Reach out to us if you have any questions. All right, for storage of your off-road package, you don't want to leave the off-road wheels on there all the time. So you pull that off, taking a handle off. You'll see on the handle down by the end. Now you can easily put this away in the garage and you're good to go, ready for next time. And there we go. Bam. Rolling. See you at the lake.